Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Ollama on Ubuntu operating system. To download the software in Google search box right there Ollama, then go on this ollama.com site. So there I can use this command. So here opening this place terminal, let's open the terminal and this here if I write this place curl minus minus version. So you can see current version 8.50 that already installed. Let's use their clear and they're going to copy this command. So with the help of this command, we can easily install their Ollama on this Ubuntu operating system. So copy and paste it there, press enter. So now you need to give their installing Ollama on this location. Let's give their password and this here downloading the Ollama. You can see the percentage. So here you can see this downloading Linux. So this will take a few minute times to complete this download. See this here Ollama that's downloaded 100% complete. Now this for creating Ollama user. So let's give their password and now press enter. So adding Ollama user and this all done. Let's use their clear command and thereafter if I write there Ollama minus minus version. So you can see this version 0.180 that install. And now if I write there Ollama, then this that's come there. So run model, launch codecs, open AI, and here you can launch also open claw. This you can launch their codecs. Cloudy code that's not installed, so this option is not available. So run a model and start interactive chat. First option that's selecting, press enter. There you can select this. So let's select the first option, press enter, and now this here Firefox that's open there, and this place you can do the sign in with Ollama account or Google or GitHub. So let's select their Google account. See here device connected successfully. After that here you can see. Now you can write any message there. Let's give there hi. This that's getting there. So give me the code. So give me the codes to add 5 numbers in Python. So you can see here this that's getting here different ways. So first is now first, second you can do with and third by user enter and here fourth method here method 4 and method 5. So although methods different ways you can do the addition of 5 numbers there. Now you can ask any question. Top Linux commands. Let's give the Unix commands in daily uses. So you can see here this all that's returning few second times LSCD, CP, MB, MK Touch, CAT, less head 10, nano, gram, this all. So this is how we can install and use Ollama on Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.